I know what you're probably thinking. Cody, save some pussy for the rest of us. Check out my new unit. See if it can do a burnout. Oh, shit, man, fuck. We got some horrible noises in the background. All right, I got some fun shit in store for this unit. We're gonna do a speed run. We're gonna see what the top speed is, and then we're gonna do some slight modifications. See how fast we can get this thing to go. I want to be able to do a fucking sick wheelie, man. Fuck, bing, 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 bing. Shit, kickstands down. We're gonna see how fast this thing goes. All right, guys, just going through the footage here. We were able to get to 51 kilometers an hour in a 0.2 kilometer distance. Got our elevation in there, slope, got my little straightaway. So that's the speed to beat, 51 kilometers an hour. We got to beat that. All right, this is my 2008 TNG Venice, it's called. It's a little cheap Chinese scooter. It's got 49 cc's, it's already plated, and it is freaking fun. It's got signal lights and the whole bit, and it's only got 877 kilometers on it. When I got it, it had 700 and some, and I've only filled it with gas once, and it only costs $7 to fill.
Got my little nut sack hanging there. It rubs against the tires a little bit.
Holy Testicle Tuesday!
It lights up fucking blue balls. Look at that. Shit.
It's a 2-stroke. We got storage underneath here. Got my little helmet. Came with a helmet and whatever else. Some tools in there. Pretty sweet. When I got it, the only thing that didn't work on it was the headlight. So I put a nice LED headlight in. I'll show you here. Check that out. Ooh, styling, baby. Oh, it's freaking cold out, man. It's like +5 or something, which is too freaking cold. So you're probably wondering what kind of modifications we're gonna do to this thing. I'll show you. Just clearing off my workbench here. So in this box, we got, look at that. Ooh, the big bore kit. Oh shit, there's my piston. Look at this little guy. Look at that. So this is a big bore kit. This will take it from 49 cc's all the way to, I think, 74, 72. We're gonna see what kind of power we can get out of this thing. So we're gonna take this motor apart and we're gonna see if we can put this big bore kit in here. I'm gonna see how it runs. Comes with new gaskets, piston rings. Look at those little things. They're so small. This piston is so tiny. And it's supposed to be bigger than the stock one. So we're gonna see just how much bigger it really is. Another thing that's coming in for this, should be here tomorrow. I got new exhaust for it. So we're gonna get that high ting, 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 2-stroke sound out of this thing. I'm really excited. Let's get this thing apart. Let's get this thing to 72 cc's. My goal with this scooter is I want to be able to cruise down the road and hit the throttle and lift the front tire up. I want to be able to do wheelies whenever I want, and I want to get really good at wheelies. Oh, another, look at this, look at this. This is sick. I haven't put it on yet. I don't have any floor mats. So we got some fresh grass, some nice clean trimmed turf. Oh shit, look at that. Forgot to show you. Look at my little sneaker. My kickstand. I got a bunch of stupid things for this thing. So we're gonna pimp it out, get this thing to 72 cc's. All right, you guys, we got the motor split from the bike. Wasn't sure if I was gonna go this far, but I did. This is the little head that's on it. It says 49 cc's on the side. We're gonna take this head off and see how small this freaking piston is. Look at that. This is the whole motor and everything. Is that a 13? A 13? Oh, shit, man. That's a 12. Oh my God. It's so small. That's what she said. Anyway, look at that, dude. What the hell, man? Oh, dude. What size difference, dude? We're going up to the girthy boys. Look at the size difference. That little piston, it's actually pretty clean. Not too shabby. Now, ask me if I know what I'm doing here. Because I'll tell you, no freaking idea. I've never worked with two strokes before. Check this out. This should be way louder. Look at the stock exhaust port. Oh, versus the new one. Like that. Look at the hole size difference. And we got that. Oh shit, she's gonna be fucking breathing, you know? Oh, I hit my goddamn shin, but I got it. Dude, we're in deep. We're in deep. Wow, okay. Look at that little guy. All right. Are these copper? Looks like copper. What's my torque specs here? Look at the size difference. I'm gonna figure out how these rings go on and see if I have a gasket for that. Oh, it tripped over the exhaust. It did. Balls, man. All right, I found a problem. Stock, big bore kit, obviously. So this pin, that one's different sized. So this bearing that this pin goes inside of, it doesn't fit. They didn't give me a new bearing. And that bearing, it goes right here. So then that pin goes through there that holds the top of the piston on. And they gave me the wrong, they didn't even give me one. All right, I actually did a pretty big no-no. I got the big bore kit on, and I actually drilled out the piston, the new piston. It's just a cheap kit, so I was like, whatever, you know. You shouldn't drill it out, and especially I drilled it out by hand, so it's a big no-no. Don't do that, but you know what? We're gonna see if it works. And if I blow it up, I blow it up. Whatever, I wanna put a 120 cc two-stroke motor in this. I think if this has some problems, we'll find a 120 cc liquid-cooled engine. So I guess I'm ready to put the bike back together, and we'll see if it runs. It seems like you can turn it over, and it, you know, it's got compression. Seems to be working. So I guess we'll see. Shit, man, look at it, look at. We got boxes. What is this? Okay. We got where's my razor blade here? Where's my fucking razor blade? This ain't a razor blade, but, you know, it'll work. I swear to God, this thing doesn't fit. We're gonna make it fit because I can do that. We don't need that. Oh, it's a box within a box. How do you say that? Technigas? Oh! Fuck. Look at that pipe, man. Look at that fucking pipe. Oh, she's sexy, dude. Is this gonna fit? Oh, damn right it's gonna fit. Oh, we got more boxes. Fuck it. Oh! Shit, dude, what is that? Oh, damn, dude, look at that. Got a little chrome little tip on there. Oh. It's white shit. Oh! Oh, shit. Damn, dude. This is the one part that isn't cheap Chinese crap that I put on this bike. Which is good. We want it to sound nice, you know? There's a restrictor in here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's just 2 tack welds holding it in there. That's got to come out. I'm going to get that out and then we'll put this together. All right, here we go. We're about to see if drilling out your piston is doable. Hopefully this thing doesn't blow up. Let's try to start it. Come on, baby. Oh! Shit, look at that. Listen to this exhaust, man. This thing sounds good. Something sounds rattly. I don't know if it's just something rattling or if it's something inside the motor rattling. Guess we'll find out. This thing is gonna rip. So you wanna know how stupid I am? If you hear that rattling in the video, so I took the silencer out of this and I was gonna show you guys what the silencer looks like and everything. I was looking everywhere, all over the floor, everywhere. I'm like, where did I frickin' put that? I frickin' slid it back in. It was sitting in there like this and it was just vibrating. I was gonna show you guys. So I frickin', that's frickin' hot. So that's the silencer. It was just jingling around in there. That's what that rattling is. Shit. So let's put the exhaust back on and see if it sounds any different. All right, this should sound a lot better. Yeah, that's way better.
It jumped up a notch.
It did, didn't it?
Good old. You ready? 1, 2, 3. .36 by 18.
That's going on a scoot.
That's going on a suit.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Okay, we need some, we need bungee straps. Are you sure that'll fit?
Nope.
Oh, I'm gonna look like an idiot. And of course, I'm the one with the back rack. Should I just get these ones?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Make sure that, yeah, the
What's extra 10
bucks
bucks?
are $40, yeah.
Okay. We'll figure it out.
We'll make it work.
Yeah. Just one?
One.
Alright. So, how are we gonna do this, dude?
Like that.
Just like that? Man, may as well go stop and get a TV while we're at it. Hey man, I'm the one that's gotta drive home with it. Gotta do what you gotta do. This is probably a bad time to have to pee too, hey? I'm bringing your shelves, honey. Don't you worry. I'll just take this scoot. Oh, I feel like such an idiot. That's okay. I don't care. My mirrors don't work. All I see is a fucking rat. Mater, dude. Check that out. No problemo. All right, you guys. Scooter's running pretty good. Could use a bigger pilot jet. It's stuttery kind of at the start. I'll do that later on, but so far we got some pretty good speed gains out of this thing, and it's a lot louder. I like the sound of it. It's pretty good for 72 cc's. If it ain't broken, don't fix it. But if it ain't upgraded, upgrade it. I'll see you guys in the next video.